Guys, welcome to my video.
Okay, good morning po. So, another topic na po tayo. Still, it is about permutation, pero circular na po siya. So, when I say circular, it involves with the circle. Okay, so, the problem is, in how many ways can 4 people be seated around a circular table? So, in how many ways can 4 people be seated around a circular table? So, ilang paraan ang 4 na tao, pwede silang i-rearrange ang kanilang sarili in a circular table. So, para hindi po tayo malilito, diretso po tayo sa formula. So, in a circular permutation of a circular, that is n minus 1 factorial. So, kapag circular table po tayo, so permutation of a circular table, that is n is minus 1 factorial. So, it means n po natin ay 4. So, that is 4 minus 1 factorial. Now, 4 minus 1 becomes 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. That is, 3 times 2 becomes 6 times 1 becomes 6. So, there are 6 ways. Okay po. So, sa circular po, ito lang po ang ating tatandaan. Formula po natin ay equal to quantity n minus 1 factorial. So, just subtract 1 from your n. Then, the answer will be in the factorial form. Then, multiply mo po yun. Hanapin ang factorial ng number na yun. Then, you can arrive an exact answer. Okay po. Thank you.